Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute squirrel coaster. When you place a cup on it, its little head pops up. Start with a magic ring, then chain 2. Make a double crochet. This is the first double crochet. 10 double crochets in total. Tighten the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Lay the yarn tail along the stitches and crochet over it. Chain 2. Round 2. Make 2 double crochets in each stitch around 10 sets. For a total of 20 stitches. Slip stitch. Chain 2. For round 3. Make 1 double crochet, then an increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern 10 times. 30 stitches total. Slip stitch, then chain 2. Last set now round 4. Round 4. Make 1 double crochet. Then make an increase. Make another double crochet. Repeat 10 times. At the end of this round, you'll have 40 stitches. Slip stitch, then chain 1. Round 5. Work reverse, single crochet around. If you need help with the stitches, I have separate tutorial videos you can follow. Finish the last round. Chain 1, then fasten off. Now let's crochet the head. Start with a magic ring and make 6 single crochets. Slip stitch, chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Pull the ring tight. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 2. 6 increases. For a total of 12 stitches. Slip stitch, then chain 1. For round 3, make 1 single crochet, then an increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 6 times. 18 stitches in total. Go ahead and finish rounds 4 to 9 following the pattern. Round 9 is done. Slip stitch, then chain 1. Round 10. Make 3 single crochets. Skip 13 stitches. Make a single crochet in the 14th stitch. Finish 5 single crochets. Skip another 13 stitches. Turn your work, then work 2 single crochets in the last 10 stitches. Then slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. That completes round 10. Round 11. make a decrease. Round 11, make a decrease. Then work 3 single crochets. Now make another decrease. Then 3 single crochets. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 12, make a decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. Make another decrease. 2 single crochets. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 13, make 3 decreases. Once you're done, chain 1, then fasten off. We'll be crocheting the squirrel's eyes, arms, and teeth. Now let's crochet the eyes. Make a magic ring. 6 single crochets in the ring. Pull the ring tight. Slip stitch, then chain 1. The chain does not count as a stitch. Make 6 increases, for a total of 12 stitches. Slip stitch to the first stitch, then chain 1. Round 3, single crochet in each stitch around 12 stitches. When you reach the last stitch, stop before the final yarn over. Then pull through with the new color. Pull through with the brown yarn to finish the stitch. Then slip stitch to the first stitch and chain 1. Round 4, single crochet in each stitch around 12 stitches. Slip stitch, then chain 1. Round 5, we're working in the back loops only. Single crochet around 12. Just the loop farthest from you. Slip stitch, then chain 1. Round 6, single crochet in each stitch around 12 stitches. Slip stitch, then chain 1. Round 7, decrease around. This means working 2 stitches together into 1. You should have 6 stitches. Slip stitch to the first stitch, then chain 1. Fasten off. Then stuff with fiber fill and sew it closed. We'll start working in the front loops of round 5. Single crochet in each stitch around. You should have 12 stitches. Fasten off. And make a second eye, the same way. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Into the ring. Continue with 1/2 double crochet. And 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Then make a picot stitch by slip stitching into the first chain. Then make 1 double crochet. Then make 1/2 double crochet. Chain 2. Into the ring, work 1 slip stitches. Fasten off. Pull the ring tight. 1 ear is done. Make another one the same way. Next, we'll crochet the arms and legs. They're made the same way. Let's start by chaining 8. Starting in the second chain from the hook. Make 3 slip stitches. Then make 4 chains. Go into the second chain from the hook and work 3 slip stitches. Chain 4. Starting in the second chain from the hook. Make 3 slip stitches. Now the paws are done. On the main piece, make 4 single crochets. Work over the yarn tail. Fasten off. Make 4 using the same method. Next, let's crochet the teeth. Chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Chain 3. Starting in the second chain from the hook. Make 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. Chain 1 to secure, then fasten off. Using the same method, make to teeth. Now let's start assembling all the pieces. Attach the eyes to both sides of the nose. And place the ears behind the eyes. Once everything is assembled, use black yarn to stitch the nose. Use yarn to sew the head and body together. Use yarn to sew the arms and legs onto the body. Once everything is assembled, now let's make the tail. Take out the line. It looks like about 10 turns of winding. Then cut the yarn. Use a strand of yarn to wrap around it. Insert a strand of yarn through the center here. Tie a knot. From here, just follow along with the video. Sew the tail onto the body. And now your squirrel coaster is complete.